Do you want to check your hard disk serial number? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to find it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Most PC users know how much storage space their computer has, but many do not know the exact type of storage device installed in their system. Whether your PC uses a traditional hard disk drive (HDD), a SATA SSD, or a faster NVMe SSD, can have a significant impact on performance. Likewise, knowing your drive's serial number can be useful when checking warranty coverage, identifying hardware, or troubleshooting storage-related issues. We have already shown you how to check what hard drive you have in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In this video, we will take it a step further and show you how to find your hard drive's serial number and other important storage details using built-in Windows tools. Let's get started. Method 1. Check hard drive serial number using PowerShell. The easiest way to find detailed information about your hard drive is with PowerShell. Open Windows Terminal or PowerShell. Now run the following command. Press Enter. Windows will display information about all connected storage devices. Depending on your system, the results may include friendly name, media type, serial number, health status, operational status, size. The serial number field shows the unique identifier assigned by the drive manufacturer. You may also see multiple devices listed such as internal hard drives, SATA SSDs, NVMe SSDs, USB flash drives, external storage devices. This makes PowerShell one of the quickest ways to identify all storage devices connected to your computer. Method 2. Check drive volume serial number. If you only need the volume serial number of a specific drive, you can use command prompt. Type CMD in Windows Search, right-click command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type this volume C: and press Enter. Replace C with the drive letter you want to check. Windows will display the volume serial number for that partition. Keep in mind that volume serial number is different from the manufacturer's hard drive serial number. The volume serial number is assigned to the partition, while the hard drive serial number is assigned by the storage device manufacturer. Method 3. Find additional hard drive information. Besides the serial number, Windows can also display other useful information about your storage device such as the manufacturer, model number, interface type, and media type. To view these details, run this command in PowerShell. Press Enter. Windows will display a list of connected storage devices along with their manufacturer, the company that made the drive, model number, the specific drive model installed in your computer, interface type such as SATA, NVMe, USB, or SCSI, media type, whether the device is a hard disk drive or solid-state drive, serial number, the unique identifier assigned by the manufacturer. This information can be useful when upgrading storage, troubleshooting hardware issues, downloading firmware updates, or checking compatibility with your system. If the serial number does not appear, try running PowerShell as an administrator or use the command. This command works on most modern Windows 11 and Windows 10 systems and provides storage-specific details directly from Windows. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.